To set corner action for top right, to talk to Bixby in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stop. Under corner action section, tap top right and then tap the gray on option next to talk to Bixby to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Next, when you are connecting a mouse with your phone, you can easily start talking to Bixby by hovering and stopping your mouse pointer on the top right corner of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.